Yo, what is up people? How are you guys doing? My name is Mark Chance. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today, finally, my Shimano SLX 1x11 gear set, it finally came in the mail. So yeah, basically we got a 11-speed shifter, 11-speed derailleur, 11-speed chain, and of course, an 11-speed cassette. So this is going to my specialized pitch. Right now, my specialized pitch only got 8 speeds. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to put this into this. So I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna experiment like what I said. I upgraded an 8-speed bike before to a 10-speed. So I know that this will work for a 10-speed cassette, but I am not sure if this will actually work to an 11-speed cassette. So if it's not gonna work, we're gonna do a little bit of modification. I got this file right here. I'm gonna remove this cassette and I'm gonna file down the hub a little bit, and yeah, we'll see. I don't know, maybe it's compatible. Okay, so 2 years ago I upgraded my Diamondback A-Truss from 3x8 to 1x10. For some reason the hub of that bike won't accept any 11-speed cassette, so I ended up upgrading it with a 10-speed cassette. I mean, it was okay, it's 10-speed, but yeah, this time I'm pretty prepared. I got that little file, so if this is not gonna work, I'm gonna, oh cool, this is actually loose. I'm gonna file it down and, you know, experiment. I like to experiment, it's pretty cool. So this is a Sunrace 8-speed cassette. There's nothing wrong with 8-speed, but you know, I guess 10-speed or 11-speed is better. So, alright, you know what? I'm gonna clean it a little bit because it's kind of dirty. So yeah, let me go get a rag real quick. It's pretty sandy because, you know, we live close by the beach, so our bikes are always sandy here. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. Now I'm gonna slap this one real quick. Slap it in there. There we go. Okay, now it's time for this little pieces right here. It's pretty easy, you just slide it in and it should fit. You know what? Looks like it's gonna fit. Holy cow, it fits. Wow, I guess I don't have to file it. Hold on. Dude, this is awesome. Hold on. Let's see. I'm not gonna celebrate yet until it's actually on it. Wow, it actually fit. So my hub will work on an 8-speed cassette all the way to 11-speed, I guess. Looks like it has space for a 12-speed cassette too. Okay, that's probably good enough. Look at that. What a surprise. I am not expecting this at all. That is pretty cool. You know what? I forgot to remove the dork disc. What a noob. Alright, I'm gonna remove the dork disc real quick. This is what I was trying to tell you guys earlier. See these little notches right there? I can actually file that down to make more space for an 11-speed cassette. I saw a guy did this on YouTube and it was actually pretty successful. But guess what? Surprise, surprise. I don't need to do that because it worked. It's pretty cool. So let's remove this little dork disc now because everybody's giving me harsh comments about this. Here you go, guys. Watch. For your eyes only. Go ahead, enjoy. No more dork disc. Here we go. Let's put the cassette back. Here we go. That is pretty cool. Just in case you want to know, the hub is a Shimano FX-TX505. It's a center lock, and it's a pretty cheap hub, but hey, it fits an 11-speed cassette. I am good with that. Comment down below what you think about my hub. Comment down below what you think about the SLX 1x11. And yeah, it's just a quick video, you know, experimental video, and apparently it's a successful experiment. So I mean, I don't know, maybe do you guys know that this actually works? Yeah, I guess that's about it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, keep pedaling, ride safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.